Your boy is back though. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. Real sorry about that. It's been like a month. Yeah, man, I just been working. Some things happened. I'm gonna, catch y'all up to date because yeah, it's been like a month since. Hold on, I got something on the camera. Alright, I hope that's better. I seen a little smeariness on the little lens, so I was like, hold on, let me get y'all right real quick. But yeah, man, your boy Rico just been chilling, man. Been working. Let me catch y'all up to speed. Let's see. Who's that? Oh, old dude right there over there tripping. But yeah, man, let me move this tripod real quick. So the last month we blew the single cam. Here's a single cam right here. And pieces and pieces. Oh my gosh, the horror. I just got done finished cleaning the rocker assembly, girdle, more piece of the rocker assembly, like caps, camshaft, oil pickup, rear main seal, oil pump. I was finna say water pump, and got the block clean, strip bare. I'm gonna paint it. I wasn't gonna paint it, but I'm gonna paint it though. And let me see what else. Little bolts, got the bolts for the girdle, and well, all those. The head studs clean. Head really not dirty, but I'm gonna clean it anyway. I gotta clean. Next is the oil pan and rocker cover. We gotta shoot off to the grocery store to go buy some Easy Off. I may take y'all in there with me. I'm not sure. Whatever, but I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. So what happened? Let me catch y'all, get y'all up to speed. I changed the turbo. I went from, let me go in the house real quick. We was on this one right here, right? The T3 T04. Good turbo. Then, no shaft play at all. Nice. And we went from that to this one. This is a knockoff Garrett GT3076R. Check this out. Anyone used to that car, right? When you drive your car, you're used to it. You know how your car boosts. Hold on, let me get you out the glare. So I put this on my car, the first one. Car was fine. Everything was good. So I swapped turbos, and when I swapped turbos, I start I guess this turbo right here, the oil drain is not the same. It got like this weird ass oil drain. It's not like a real GT3076R. My fitting that fit the real one, when I put it in this knockoff right here, this particular one, I bought this one from Max Speeding Rods. It wasn't the same at all. There's gonna be some differences though, but it's a hit or miss when when you're buying. How can I say? Non-name brand turbos, but you got the big boys, Garrett, Honeywell, Garrett, Precision, Turbonetics, whatnot, Borg Warner. If you can make power non-name brand, but now $600-700, I'll save up, period, go name brand. But anyway, so we swapped turbos, and when I put the oil feed line into the new port, I didn't have it all the way tightened. So when I started the car, oil started leaking, out the damn turbocharger. I lost all my oil. So I had brand new oil. I had some more oil left, right? So I didn't, how can I say this? Hold on, I kind of lost my train of thought right now. Yeah, so I lost all my oil, right? And started the car, lost all the oil. So I started the car and I lost all the oil. So I had some oil left. Put the oil back in the car, but I didn't wait. And I checked the dipstick. It still was reading like, somewhat of like a false reading. So I put it in, went for a drive, and I guess at that time I didn't know the damn car was low on oil, so I hurt the bearings. Bearing 3 messed it up, but I didn't know at the time, so car was still running fine. And I took it out for a drive, you know, the next day. For some odd reason, I started getting like a grounding issue under my passenger side. So I stopped the car. And was like, you know, trying to inspect it. Car wouldn't start back up, and so I ended up walking home like a mile and a half. Got a hold of my buddy Mike right there, my neighbor, helped me out. I mean, come to find out, it was this right here. My ground wire from the transmission right there to there, it was grounding out. So I started having a grounding issue. So I just cut those wires because those 2 wires was, you know, having a problem. So I cut them, it was fine. Started the car, and I'm starting to hear like a ta 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 ta. I'm like, what the hell? Like, what's going on? Drove it a little bit, got home, it was a rod knock. Come to find out, I drove the car on low oil, so I ended up hurting the motor. I wasn't expecting to build the single cam so soon, but now I have to now. So I ended up buying some max speeding rods, connecting rods, because I was going, you know, notch the block, which is not hard. My boy James from, you know, Texas Honda channel, he did it. You know, a lot of people have done it. But right after I bought my rods, Speed Factory came out with some D15B no notch rods. I'm like, oh my gosh, bro, no they did not. So you guys know I had to buy them. Where we at right now, got everything stripped. I'm gonna go to the grocery store in a minute. I should buy some paint too, but I was planning on rerunning this turbo setup, but I'm not. I'm going with the custom mini ram horn, like a real mini ram horn, not the ones that just drop down. No, this is like a full-size ram horn, but tucked, like pie cut and tucked real tight. So it's going to be awesome. And I don't know for wastegate, I don't know. I still have to talk to my boy Curly Flowers to I really don't even know what size gate he's going with, you know, area. So like the flange 44 or, you know, 36, I don't know. But I can rerun the original turbo, but no, I'm going with a T3 T04 with the 4-inch inlet, like the, you know, the fake GT30 76 RS in a room. I'm going with one of a T3 T04 61 trim with the 4-inch inlet. We won't be using that dump no more, or neither that setup. And actually, when I'm done with this and start editing this, I'm gonna actually buy the turbo from Greg at Go Auto Works. Shout out to my boy Greg. I don't plug companies, but my boy Greg have the best turbo kits for Hondas all around, hands down. Unless you're custom building one, my boy Mike. I'm gonna go to the grocery store right now and buy 2 cans of Easy Up, because I know I'm gonna need more than one, because I'll be going through them, bro. And yeah, let's continuing. And well, my boy then came back and then got something. What you do? Forget something? I'm about to start. I gotta go to the grocery store because I gotta finish cleaning shit though, but I'm gonna start assembling it today. So yeah, get back filming. So boy, hey, y'all, that number right there, call. That's my boy Rizzo. He do professional air conditioning, got his own business. That's where he live right there. So if any of you guys need some AC, hit my boy Rizzo up. I have his number in the description below. Tell him SI Rico sent you, and he may give you a deal. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell him to give you a deal. So yeah, be like, SI Rico sent you. I mean, SI Rico sent me, and he'll hook you up. That's my boy right there. Love that guy. But yeah, so I'm about to get off this, continue, pull everything that I'm not gonna use, and continue cleaning everything that I'm going to use. So block is clean, yeah. Head studs, girdle, bolts, cam, rocker assembly, and we're gonna clean the head. I don't know. Well, I guess, yeah, we'll clean the head. And check that out. Arabian girls, bro. Indian females, so gorgeous, beautiful. But yeah, so that's the little update. I'm sorry I haven't been filming. When I blew this, kind of knocked the spirit out of me, but we back, we good, we straight. So I'm gonna continue this. As far as this bad boy, we just gotta hold. I know you guys want to see me rip this, but for the ones, if you have subbed a little bit, I mean, for the ones that don't know, I have this car. Yes, I own a 91 boosted Honda CRX, fully built. Check down the videos. But the plan was with this, besides obviously painting it, and I want to change the other fender. I mean the driver's side fender, but oh come on, they want to start grinding right in the middle of the video. But I was gonna buy a full exhaust because I want to run a full exhaust on this car, and I was gonna get a wheel alignment, exhaust, wheel alignment, and then I'm gonna register this bad boy, then tune it. That's done with this, so we can start, you know. And eventually I want to take the head off of this, resurface it with a Planet Granite, and then put it back on because I got a little bitty slight leak between the front of the motor, the front right of the engine, from the head and the block. But the head is fine. The head is completely straight from port flow. It's the block that's worked because I overheated a little bit before on this. So, but everything's fine. Don't overheat. You gotta bleed this car totally different though. Yeah, that's my number. That's my boy number right there, Rizzo. Mike Rizzo, 951-672-039. Air conditioning. But yeah, so finna get off this. I miss you guys, and hey, finna get back to it though. That month was long, man. It was just, I don't know. But now I'm back working. I got money coming in, so we can continue the channel though. You know, you gotta have money to make money, right? And yeah, so we about to get into it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one though. This is your boy S.I. Rico, and I'm out though. Peace.
No one ever said it'd be easy. No one ever said it won't take no time. No one ever seemed to believe me. No one ever thought that I could make those rhymes. And no one ever said it'd be easy.